Hi, welcome back to Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm Lisa. I'm so glad that you are here today. Before I get started, I just want to remind you to hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell next to it, and then you will never miss any of my videos. I am bringing you a review today for pinkypromise.com. I am so excited to share this gorgeous style with you. This is a new style by Estetica Designs that has just come out. This is Verona, and the color on this one is R826H. So beautiful, beautiful addition to their High Society collection. Can't wait to tell you more in just a moment. Okay, let's jump in and start talking about this beautiful Verona. So this is a gorgeous style. She's very long, and she has what I think is a true beach wave. You know, that salt water, I just got out of the water, I've been in a little bit of sea breeze all day kind of look. Just a beautiful, beautiful wave, very subtle wave pattern, definitely a wave as opposed to like a spiral curl, but just absolutely gorgeous. I think she's very face flattering. She has a long bang here, so you do have some, face flattering layers, and she has a nice side sweep. You could also, I think, cut, more of a bang into her, and she is just so pretty. And like I said, the color on this one is the R826H, which we will discuss more in just a moment. So let me do a turn and I'll show you Verona from all sides, and then I'll show you her cap and all that kind of stuff. So here she is from the front. I just think she is so pretty, y'all. Like I said, she's just a very classic, long beach wave. Very, very pretty, very natural looking. So here is my right side. I hope you can see her all the way down. Sometimes I gotta get up on my tippy toes. Here's the back. My left. Beautiful hair going down the back there. Oh, she's gorgeous. And then back to the front. Okay, so she is a lace front full mono top. So right now she came parted to me on the left-hand side, and I just left her that way. I always tell y'all I don't like to do a whole lot to these when I take them out of the box. I want you to see what she looks like when you pop her out of the box, and she is pretty good to go, which I really, really love. So she's parted on the left, but with a mono top, you could part her in the middle. You could part her on the right, either way. So I can kind of show you a little bit, if you were to part her on the right here. Okay, so let me show you her lace front. Really, really nicely done. Looks really, really nice with this color because they bring that pretty blonde highlight, right there to the front. Hides that knotting. And the brown, the 8, is not a super dark color anyway. So here is her mono part. Full mono top, but here's the part. And of course, with a full mono top, you also have parting that goes all the way back to the crown, which is very natural looking. I've got great coverage. Now I am petite in my measurements, and I've got good coverage around the face. This one is a little big. This fits me more like Hudson did. So a little bit bigger. This is definitely an average cap, but I did bring in her adjusters, and I feel comfortable with her on my head. So not that she won't work for a petite, but she is a true average. So average, I think petite, average, and average plus are going to be able to get away with this wig. So, but there's the other side. Ear tab looks really nice. I've got just a tiny bit of bio hair that shows. Blends right in with that R8 that is in the wig color, so not a problem. Really, really pretty. Okay, I will pop her off and we can look at her interior cap construction. Okay, inside of the cap for Verona. So here is our full mono top. So that checkered appearance that you're seeing is just those different colors that are sewn into that mono top. So you've got blondes and you've got the brunette. That's why you see that checkered appearance. Don't be alarmed about that. It doesn't look like that on the outside of the wig or anything. Here's your lace front. Looks really, really good. Extends down onto your ear tab, which is very nice. That's always great for off the face styling. You've got a soft covered ear tab with a good sized piece of metal in it. Open wefted cap. Open wefted extended nape. Hook adjusters. And as I said, that mono top goes all the way back to that crown, so that part looks very, very natural. Looks really, really nice. This particular one has, with the color, it has a brown interior cap, light brown. So I'll show you what she looks like. like. Very, very nice. Okay, so I just realized I need to tell y'all her measurements too. So I talked about this side sweeping bang at the very beginning. So that is an 8-inch bang. So that's why I'm saying you could easily trim that shorter and have, you know, more forehead coverage with a bang if you wanted to. She has 16-inch sides. She's 20 inches from the crown. And then her nape is 14 inches. So she's just a little bit shorter than the Lachlan wig that I've already shown you all. So really, really pretty. All right, so color-wise, this is R826H. So this is described as a golden brown with golden blonde highlights, which is very short and very specific and very accurate. So you can definitely see that light, you know, that golden brown, that 8. And then she just has a really pretty golden blonde highlight. The color to me is warm. I know some of you like to know if it's warm or cool. I find it to be a warmer color. Very, very pretty. The highlights in this particular shade really play beautifully with these waves and these layers that are in the wig. R826H, if you go to my Instagram, I have a little color comparison of this to Caramel Kiss, and the Caramel Kiss rooted, which I think is rooted with a 4. And the shades are similar. The highlights in the Caramel Kiss I feel like are a little chunkier, but you know, these shades are close. So if you wanted a rooted shade, or if you just want a little more highlighting, you could go with that Caramel Kiss. So all of those shades are available at finkypromise.com. So not to worry, you can pick out the shade that your heart desires. So, okay, let's go look at this really pretty shade outside in the natural light. R826H. There's the lace front, mono part. So pretty. Oh, this is a gorgeous wig, y'all. Down in the sun. Okay, gorgeous, gorgeous color in the sun. Very pretty on these waves. Ah, this is like beach vacation hair, y'all. Big time. All right, so let's talk about how we can style her, because she does have a ton of styling options, of course. So, all right, so I will tuck her behind my ears. She is ear tuckable. There's maybe some permatease right at the rooting, but I'm not feeling like, she's not like, you know, full of a bunch of permatease. So I really like that. So she's, you know, ear tuckable. You can put your glasses on with her, so really easy. Put them on your head very easily. Really, really cute. Okay, so you've got a full mono top. You've got an extended lace front. So, you know, you can, like I said, she would be great beach vacation hair. Now for me, because this cap is a little bit bigger, wearing her, I would actually tape down her lace front. Just a little tip of what I would do, but just for the sake of the video, you know, you could bump her up. She looks gorgeous like that. You can do a half up, half down with her. I would do half up, half down and let these bang layers fall down. I just like to do it that way. I think it looks pretty that way, but beautiful. And then obviously ponytail. She's perfect, perfect, perfect. Extended nape, so just make sure you push your nape down. But look at that. Beautiful ponytail wig. And she's gorgeous if you twist her up a little bit. Kind of messy bun her a little bit back here and just let these cool waves. Isn't that cute? So I would just use, you know, like a clip like this or larger. Really, really cute. I mean, she just looks so cute. So then you could get her up, you know, off your shoulders. You could dress her up a little bit. So with that being said, obviously, you know, you can braid her. You could do all kinds of updos with her because she just has, you know, so many unlimited possibilities. You know, headbands would look adorable, just all kinds of styling options. So really, really cute. She is just a really, really fabulous, gorgeous style. I mean, she is one of these wigs that when I put her on, I was like, is that me? I mean, I feel fabulous. I feel gorgeous. I feel sexy. I feel beautiful in this hair. And that is what we're looking for, you know, with our wigs, right? So again, I want to thank Pinky Promise for providing this wig for review today. Don't forget to go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up as a new email subscriber, and you will get a 30% off code. And that way you will get, you know, all the information of what's going on sale-wise and all kinds of stuff at pinkypromise.com. So until next time, I thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.